Siri, why my weird dream?
You shouldn't watch so much World War II documentaries.
Siri, can I eat the mushroom?
Send me picture of the mushroom. It is edible if cooked correctly.
Siri, why my boob green?
You shouldn't have eaten that mushroom.
Siri, what should I eat?
You should eat something green, you fat fuck.
Okay.
Siri, what should I say to a beautiful woman?
Beautiful woman like compliments.
Excuse me, your eyes onion like.
Siri, should I go for a swim?
Yes, you need the exercise.
Siri! I don't know swim! Siri! Teach me swim!
Just try to move your hands and legs. Don't know.
Siri, how to get milk?
You need to find a cow and milk it.